Have you heard of the term white savior complex? It's a trope used in movies and literature. It shows a white person as a messiah-like figure. This person liberates other communities, saves the non-whites, and emerges as the hero. And why are we talking about this tonight? Because of an American YouTuber called MrBeast. He has more than 200 million subscribers, so he's really famous. Recently, MrBeast decided to build 100 wells in Africa. This project will touch the lives of 500,000 people. Sounds like an act of charity, and it's true regardless what critics may say or think of it, but he's being slammed for it. Why? Because his critics say he's milking poverty for views. They say it's exploitation. So what is it, white savior complex or philanthropy? I leave that to you in the comment section. Mr. Jimmy Donaldson, a 25 years old with over 209 million subscribers on YouTube. As of 2023, he is the highest paid YouTuber with an estimated net worth of $500 million. MrBeast says he has no intentions of keeping the fortune to himself. In fact, he wants to give it away. So the YouTuber turned to philanthropy. Which brings us to his latest philanthropic deed, or should I say controversy. It all started on November 4th, when MrBeast uploaded a few minutes of video. The caption read, "I built 100 wells in Africa." The video shows him building wells across the continent, in Cameroon, Kenya, Somalia, Uganda, and Zimbabwe. These will provide drinking water to almost 1 million people. He also donated supplies to schools, built a bridge in villages, and even donated bikes to children. Sounds like a good deed, right? Well, the internet is divided. African activists are calling it the white savior complex. They say that they have been trying to do the same thing for years, but always got stuck in paperwork and funding. However, an American YouTuber could just jet into the continent, build wells, and suddenly he gets all the attention. Meanwhile, others said it was disrespectful. They said MrBeast was enforcing Western stereotypes, the same stereotypes that say Africa is poor and desperate for handouts. Some critics even accused him of exploiting poverty, of using acts of kindness to generate views. So there was a lot of criticism, a lot of negative comments, and a lot of backlash. But they don't seem to have affected MrBeast. He says he doesn't care, and that he even anticipated the backlash, but he will continue to do what he does. Now, this isn't the first time MrBeast has come under fire. His acts of philanthropy have often been a double-edged sword. Some people laud him, others say he's feeding off the poor. That said, MrBeast has built an empire on these videos and philanthropy. He once sponsored cataract surgery for 1,000 people. Another time, he bought prosthetic limbs for 2,000 amputees. Those videos are popular, and they gave him much-needed recognition and boosted his influence on YouTube and across the globe. But does that mean it's only for the views? Let's look at the facts. Yes, MrBeast makes money off these videos. That's a fact. But this money is helping people. That's also a fact. At the end of the day, that's what it boils down to. The people he helped are better off, like the villagers in Africa that now have drinking water. Meanwhile, millions of his subscribers get the content that they like, and he makes money off it. Sounds like a win-win situation. My take is MrBeast can't really help in the secret because he is a content creator. Look at him sharing food in New York City. Does it mean the people of New York are hungry and desperate? Capital nummis. It's purely out of love and care for humanity. This brings us to the end of today's episode. Consider subscribing and let's know your views in the comment section. See you all in the next video and be safe out there.